Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I'm standing on board one of the few that you can get 2020 Boston Whaler 230 Vantages. If this boat has one overarching advantage over just about everything else on the market, well, I'm standing under it, and that's the advantage. This thing has shade out the wazoo, and that's what this hardtop is loved for by folks all across Florida, as well as right here in Sarasota. You can even option a sunshade if you want to cover the back, and you'd want to cover the back because, well, it's a whaler. So you got some of the best seating of any boat produced today. That bench seat I've showed you plenty of times, which if you haven't seen it, like and subscribe to the channel. We get fun, cool stuff on here all the time. Anyways, back to the boat. 300 Mercury in white at the back. That gets you DTS, which is their digital everything, as well as the very best hydraulic steering on the market. This boat's got a few things like freshwater shower here at the back on one side at the entryway, charger, factory installed battery charger on the other side. Now you ask about that fresh water, why is it there? On a Boston Whaler, there's almost always fresh water at the entry points of the boat. These are designed to be used, abused, rinsed, put away, but they still want to give you every option that you can have to keep your boat clean. Table in the rear. This boat has two. It actually has the table that goes forward into the bow as well. Nice treat. The kids want to tuck out of the way for snacks, something along those lines. You've got the Aquarium countertop option here. Yeti underneath. And this boat also has a very, very nice sound system. You're going to see JL components throughout the boat, and you are also going to see the Fusion head unit here. Trim tabs are on this. What you're not seeing is electronics. Guys, we'll take care of that on a dealer level. Pick your favorite. Garmin, Raymarine, Simrad, it makes no difference. We'll install them. You get actually even better factory warranty on plenty of stuff than when it's installed at the factory. This boat, for those who are option conscious, actually has the stainless windshield cap on it, color match on the bottom of the hardtop, and, well, frankly, one of the most comfortable bows in the entire game. Guys, this is our 2020 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. I am Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. If you have more questions, do not hesitate to reach out. Email, web lead, call us. We're here for you 7 days a week.